Good morning, all of you. Well, in the last class, we have discussed the determinants and its properties, problems on it, as well as inverse of the matrix. Say yes or no? Right. Yeah. ఇవి ఏసీలు ఆన్ చేయొచ్చండి, ఫ్యాన్ వేయచ్చండి. ఒక ఫ్యాన్ అన్న వేయాలి, ఈ ఫ్యాన్ వేయండి. మీ వైపు లైట్లు వేసుకోండి, రాసుకోవడానికి ఇబ్బంది లేకుండా. Right? So we have finished the problems up to inverse related with gate. The concept is over. If any problems are there, I'll give it to you in an examination mode. You have to do it and you need to practice it. Okay? So next, write down finding solutions of. Have you written the rank or not? Rank రాసారా రాయలేదా? అమ్మా ర్యాంక్ రాయలేదా? నాట్ ఎట్. సో మీరు లాస్ట్ టైం ఎన్ని క్లాసులు అటెండ్ అయ్యారు? అంతే. ర్యాంక్ డెఫినిషన్ చెప్పానా చెప్పలేదా? చెప్పలేదా? రైట్ డౌన్ ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. Rank of a matrix. Rank of a matrix. నేను క్లాస్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు అటు ఇటు తిరగద్దు. ఏం పేరు నీ పేరిట? ఏం కావాలి నీకు? నీ పెన్ నువ్వు తెచ్చుకోవాలి కదా. పైన బటన్ పెట్టి మనము క్లాస్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు క్లాస్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ని క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. అర్థమైందా? అది ట్యాగ్ లోపల వేసుకో, పైన వేసుకో. ఎందుకు అది? పెన్ ఉందా? తీసుకున్నావా? నోట్స్ ఉందా? మొత్తం నోట్స్. మీకు నెక్స్ట్ టైం నేను వచ్చేసరికి మీరు ఎవరైతే కంటిన్యూషన్గా సపరేట్ గేట్ నోట్స్ ఎవరైతే పెట్టారో వాళ్ళకి ఖచ్చితంగా ఫైన్ ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ మే వ్యారీ ఫ్రమ్ ఏంటి ఆల్రెడీ కట్టారా? ఒకసారి కట్టారా ఫైను? అంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం అయితే వినాలి. ఫస్ట్ టైం అయితే 100 రూపీస్, సెకండ్ టైం అయితే 500 రూపీస్, థర్డ్ టైం అయితే 1000 రూపీస్. చెప్పాను ఆల్రెడీ. బై నెక్స్ట్ టైం your notes will be verified. అది వాల్యూమ్ కన్నా బేస్ పెంచి మాస్టర్ పెంచండి. ఓకేనా? బేస్ పెంచ్, బేస్ పెంచ్ కూడా పెంచండి. బేస్ మాస్టర్ కన్నా బేస్ ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి కొంచెం. ఉందా? రైట్. ఇప్పుడు వాల్యూమ్ ఈ మూడు ఈక్వల్గా ఉండాలి. ఈక్వల్గా పెట్టారా? Next time your notes will be verified. Okay. Get ready with a separate gate notes for each and every subject separately. So if you don't have the notes, రూత్లెస్గా ఏంటి జాలి లేకుండా ఖచ్చితంగా ఫైన్స్ వసూలు చేయబడడం జరుగుద్ది. ఇందులో మొహమాటం లేదు. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్ ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. అడ్జస్ట్ చేయమ్మా. ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అడ్జస్ట్ చేయకొచ్చు. ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఇంకా తగ్గించాలి. ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఇట్లాగే పెట్టాలి. ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ రావట్లేదు. మ్యాట్రిక్స్. See, in order to find the rank, first of all we need to know about submatrix. What is submatrix? Write down. Let capital A equals to AI is of order m by n. AI is of order m by n. By deleting some rows and columns, keeping r number of rows, small r number of rows and small r number of columns. Small r number of columns. The matrix obtained is known as submatrix of order R. R number of rows, R number of columns. I am keeping them only, deleting the remaining rows and remaining columns. Okay, so that is known as submatrix of order R. Now submatrix of order R means we have only R number of columns and R number of rows. If you find the determinant of such submatrix, okay, if the determinant is 0, then the determinant of that submatrix is known as minor of order R, and if the minor is 0, it may be 0 or may not be 0. Say for example, if we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I am deleting the last column. This is a submatrix 1, 2, 4, 5. Indamma, what you are discussing? Yourself. By deleting the last column, we are having 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay. So here, what is the determinant of 1, 2, 4, 5? What is the determinant? 5 minus 8. The determinant of such submatrix, by keeping any number of rows, the same number of columns. Okay, the obtained square submatrix determinant is known as minor of that order. Okay, write down now. The determinant of thus obtained submatrix is known as minor of order R. Minor of order R. Okay. How many minors you will get here of order 2? You may delete 3, 6. You are getting one minor value. Again delete 2, 5. If you delete 2, 5, what is the minor value? What is minor value? 1, 4, 3, 6. That is another submatrix. What is the determinant of that one? Minus 6 or 6 or what it is? Minus 6. So you may have different minors. ఏంటమ్మా మాట్లాడుతున్నాయండి మీకేం డౌట్ ఉంటే నన్ను అడగాలి మీరు మాట్లాడదు You may have different minors of same order. You have different minors of same order for any given matrix. Even again, if you write only 1 by 1 square matrix, that means only one row, one column, only one element. Okay, so that is there exists 6 minors. 1, that itself a submatrix of order 1. Its determinant is 1 only. Next again 2, that is 2 only. Again 3. So we have different submatrices of order 1 and different minors of order 1. Okay, write down. Have you written the determinant of thus obtained submatrix is known as minor of order R, and there exists different minors of same order. Different minors of same order. Okay. So this is of order 2 by 3. Okay. Maximum what order minors you may get? Minor of order 2. Again, if it is 2 by 2, again maximum there exists minor of order 2 only. If it is 3 by 3, maximum there exists minors of order 3 only. Okay. So among all these minors starting from the maximum order, we are finding the minors of order R starting from the maximum. Okay. Now we will find the minors of maximum orders. So now if there exists at least a non-zero minor of order R, and all the minors of order greater than R are zeros if exists. All minors of order R are zeros if exists. Greater than R are zeros if exists. And there exists at least a non-zero minor of order R. Then we say that the rank of the matrix is smaller. Here maximum minors of order 2 exists. Okay, maximum minors of order 2. Are you getting maximum minors of order 2 only or not? There exists maximum minors of order 2. So there is a non-zero minor of order 2. Do you have non-zero minor or not? Amma, find 1, 2, 4, 5 determinant. What is the determinant of 1, 2, 4, 5? What is determinant of 1, 2, 4, 5? Amma, minus 3. So there is a non-zero minor of order 2. We don't have minors of order 3. If exists, all the minors of order 3 must be zeros. Okay, we don't have now. Now what is the rank of this matrix? The rank of this matrix is 2 only. Okay, now write down that definition. The rank of a matrix capital A, is said to be smaller, ఎవరు కావాలి The rank of a matrix is said to be smaller if there exists at least a non-zero minor of order R and all the minors of order greater than R greater than small r are all zeros. Are zeros. R A R E are zeros. Okay. So that is the rank of the matrix. Now as we have seen this, write an example here. Consider the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of order 2 by 3. Write it. ప్రతిదానికి రాయండి, హెడ్డింగ్ పెట్టండి, అండర్లైన్ చేయండి. ఇవన్నీ ఎవరికి చెప్తారు? యూనివర్సిటీ స్టూడెంట్స్కి చెప్పారు. నేను ముందే చెప్పా, యు ఆర్ స్టడీయింగ్ ఇన్ ఎన్ యూనివర్సిటీ. సో బికాస్ ద యూనివర్సిటీ కెనాట్ అకామిడేట్, దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రాంచైజీస్ టు డిఫరెంట్ కాలేజెస్. ఓకే. సో మీరు జేఎన్టీలో చదువుతున్నటువంటి ఆ కాలేజీలోనే ఒక దాంట్లో చదువుతున్నారు. సో యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ యువర్ యూనివర్సిటీ కోర్స్. అండర్లైన్ పెట్టండి, రాయండి, ఇవన్నీ చెప్పకూడదు. అర్థమైందా? సే ఎస్ ఆర్ నో. నోట్ డౌన్ దట్ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of order 2 by 3. There exists different minors of order 2 different minors of order 2, okay. Since determinant 1, 2, 4, 5, determinant 1, 2, 4, 5 is equal to minus 3, there exists a non-zero minor of order 2 at most. Therefore, the rank of this matrix is 2. The rank of this matrix is 2. Now here it is very clear. Maximum rank of any matrix of order m by n among these m and n, whichever is minimum, the rank will not exceed the minimum of m comma n. Do remember that. And the rank of the matrix is denoted by row of A. Write down. The rank of matrix is denoted by, that is symbol for row. Row of A equal to small r. Okay. Next, the rank of any matrix is less than or equal to minimum of m comma n. Minimum of m comma n. Any matrix of order m by n. Okay. If it is 1 by 4, the rank will not exceed 1. If it is 2 by 3, rank will not exceed 2. If it is 100 by 120, the rank will not exceed 100. Okay. Among those two, it will not exceed the minimum. Now here we can write some important notes. Note number 1. If all the minors of a matrix of order R, if all the minors of order R of a matrix, you please write like that. If all the minors of order R of a matrix are all zeros, then the rank of the matrix is showing your notes itself, why you are showing the other's notes to the another person? Cheppamma, ninne adigedi. I am asking you. So I will not ask you to stand. I am asking you, please respond. Stop writing. Respond to my question. నువ్వేనమ్మా ముందు నేను అడిగిందని చెప్పు. నీ పక్కనున్న ఆమె నోట్స్ తీసి ఆమెకు ఎందుకు చూపించావు? ఆమెకు అర్థం కాకపోతే ఆమె అడుగుద్ది, నీకేం పని? నువ్వు అడిగిందని చెప్పు ముందు, తర్వాత రాదుకోను. చెప్పు. మధ్యలో మాట్లాడొద్దు, మధ్యలో డిస్టర్బ్ చేయొద్దు. ఓకేనా? రైట్. రైట్ డౌన్. If all the minors of order are of a matrix are zeros, then what will be the rank of it? What will be the rank of the matrix? Amma, listen. I'll give you few examples. Here, listen carefully. Listen. I am considering a matrix I1, 1 0 0 0 1 0. I am not getting why you are talking. Nonsense. Stop talking. Apali. మధ్యలో మాట్లాడతారా ఎందుకు? Here I am giving you few examples. I1 equals to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. It is an identity matrix. It is of order 3 by 3. Can you tell me what is the rank of it? Amma, rank of I1 equal to maximum there exists minor of order 3. It is non-zero. Determinant of any identity matrix is not equal to 0. Okay. So therefore, its rank is 3. We don't have 4 by 4 submatrices. Now again, I am writing another one. I2 equals to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. It is also of order 3 by 3. Rank of I2 equals to, what is rank of I2? Last, what is rank of I2? I2, this one, we have only one minor of order 3. If you find the determinant, since one row is completely zeros, its determinant is 0. Right? Last. Ikkada evaru? The determinant of this one is completely 0. We don't have minors of order 4, 5, 6, so on. We have maximum minor of order 3 and its value is 0. So its rank is not 3, less than 3. Okay. So what you can say now? Rank of I2 is? We have a submatrix of order 2 by 2 whose determinant is not equal to 0. So rank of I2 equals to 2. Next, if you write I3 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, it is also of order 3 by 3. Rank of I3 equals to, is it 3? Tell me, is it 3? No. Is it 2? No. We have only one non-zero element, so its rank is 1. So this is 1. If you write another one, I4 equals to all zeros, it is of order 3 by 3. Rank of I4 equals to 0. Rank of now, by observing all of these, what you can say? If all minors of order 3 are zeros, then its rank is 3 or less than 3 or greater than 3. Hey, వాళ్ళిద్దరు లేపు ఏమిరా రాత్రంతా నిద్రపోకుండా చేల్లో కాపలా కాసి వచ్చారు మీ ఇద్దరు. రే నుంచోండి, కాసేపు నుంచోండి ఇద్దరు. లేపాడు లేపు. ఏ యూ స్టాండ్, లే పైకి లే. నువ్వు లే, నువ్వు కూడా లే. నేను వాళ్ళ క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తున్నా, మిమ్మల్ని కాదు. ఏం నిద్రపోతున్నారేంటి అమ్మా? ఫీవరా, హెడేకా, ట్యాబ్లెట్ కావాలా చెప్పు, తెప్పిస్తా. కూర్చో, నిద్రపోవా, కూర్చో. నువ్వు కూడా, నీకేమైంది? వాడు సపోర్ట్ చేశాడు నిద్రపోమని. అరే పొద్దు పొద్దున్నే వాడు నిద్రపోతాడు. కూర్చో. మా సౌండ్ పెట్టు. Now, if all minors of order 3 in I4, all minors of order 3 are zeros, its rank is 3. Is it 2? Is it 1? So it is less than 3. In the second one also, I3, all minors of order 3 are zeros. Its rank is 3. What is the rank of I3? Amma, it is not 3, not 2, but 1. So you can say less than R. All minors in I2 also. All minors of I2 order 3 are zeros. Its rank is not 3. Its rank is 2, less than 3. So what you can write now in that? If all minors of order R of a matrix are zeros, then its rank is నీ బొంద లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్. రాయండి. అంటే నువ్వు అటు ఇటు తిరుగుతా మాట్లాడితే అట్లాగే ఉంటుంది. లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్. Less than R. Again write the second note. Note number 2. Note number 2. Before writing that, if you want to copy, you can. Or if you have not copied, after that you can copy it. Okay? Write down. If there exists a non-zero minor, if there exists, ఇటువంటి బొందలు చాలా వస్తాయి. పొద్దాక నవ్వుతూ ఉండకూడదు, ఆపాలి. ఆ టైం వరకే, ఆ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ వరకు నవ్వాలి, ఆపాలి. కంటిన్యూస్గా నవ్వుతూ ఉంటే మనం మెంటల్లీ ఛాలెంజ్డ్ పర్సన్స్ అనుకుంటారు. So don't be like that. If there exists a non-zero minor of order R, there exists a non-zero minor of order small r of a given matrix given matrix. There exists a non-zero minor of order 1. Does its rank is 1? Say yes or no. There exists a non-zero minor of order 1. Its rank is 1. There exists a non-zero minor of order 1. Its rank is 1. Now what you can say by observing the first three? If there exists a non-zero minor of order R for a given matrix, then its rank is greater than or equal to R. Its rank is greater than 1. Its rank is also greater than 1. Its rank is equal to 1. If there exists a non-zero minor of order 1, then its rank is greater than or equal to 1. If there exists a non-zero minor of order R, its rank is greater than or equal to R. In a sensitive manner, you may get the question. If there exists a non-zero minor of order R, then the rank of the matrix is it less than R equal to R, greater than R equal to R? Which one is correct? Greater than or equal to R. Among the given options, you have to choose the most appropriate answer. Okay? There exists a non-zero minor of order R. Its rank will be greater than or equal to R. Okay? Note down that and then copy this 4. For example, after writing that, you just write, for example, I1 equals to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 of order 3 by 3. Rank of I1 equal to 3. Second one, I2 equals to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 of order 3 by 3. Rank of I2 equals to 2. I3 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 order 3 by 3. Rank of I3 equals to 1. I4 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Rank of I4 equals to 0. So based on these examples, we are able to say the above concepts. Okay, and before that you have already written rank of any matrix is always less than or equal to minimum of m comma n, where m is number of rows, n is number of columns. Okay, one by one we will find the properties. Next, actually in order to find the rank, always it is not possible to find the submatrices and their determinants. We do the row or column transformations. Row or column transformations. Write down. Row or column transformations. Row or column transformations. Column transformations. First one, interchanging the rows or columns. Interchanging the rows or columns. That is interchanging ith row to zth row. That is interchanging ith row to zth row, or interchanging ith column to zth column. Ith column to zth column, denoted as Rij or Cij. Amma, if you interchange the row to row or column to column, rank will not be changed. Rank will remain same. Rank will remains same. Second one, multiplying any non-zero scalar k multiplying any non-zero scalar k to any row or any column, that is ith row or ith column, denoted by KRI or KCI. KRI or KCI. Okay, this also won't change the rank. Next, multiplying zth row with a non-zero scalar k and added to the corresponding elements of ith row or multiplying any non-zero scalar k to zth column elements and added to the corresponding elements of ith column, denoted by Ri plus Krj or Ci plus Kcj. Okay, this is another transformation. So all these three won't change the rank of the matrix. Okay, even if you apply all the three, or either to row and column, or only to rows, or only to columns, it won't change the rank of the matrix. Okay, write down. అయ్యా నువ్వు దిక్కులు చూడటం ఆపి రాయ్, చక్కగా వెనక్కి కూర్చుంటున్నావు. అక్కడ వాళ్ళు ఎందుకు అట్లా ఇచ్చేస్తున్నారు? యు ఆర్ సపోజ్ టు కాన్సంట్రేట్. ఆర్ యూ రైటింగ్ ద నోట్స్ ఆర్ నాట్? వెనక్కి వాళ్ళు పడబాకు, బాగా స్ట్రెచ్ అయ్యావు అని వెనక్కి పడతావు. నువ్వు పడ్డమే కాదు, అటోడు ఇటోడు ముందు మొత్తం చుట్టూ వాళ్ళు అందరూ పడతారు. చక్కగా కూర్చో. ఇబ్బంది ఏమన్నా 2 కర్రలు తెచ్చి కడతాం, వెనక్కి ముందుకి పడకుండా. లేదా ఇబ్బంది లేదా? ఓకే, రైట్ నౌ ద రో ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్స్ or column transformations will not alter the rank of the matrix. Will not alter the rank of the matrix. Okay. Next. Here, listen. If you are having a matrix A, apply any number of row or column transformations or both. You are going to get another matrix B. Okay. This order and this order. Order will not be changed. And again, rank also will not change. If you are getting a matrix B by a sequence of row or column transformations, ఏంటమ్మా కింద ఫోన్ పెట్టినావా? జేమ్స్ బాండ్కి కానీ అదేంటి ఎన్ఐఏకి కానీ ఎఫ్బిఐకి కానీ పనిచేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు? చెప్పు. వీటికి పనిచేసే వాళ్ళు బల్ల కింద దూరుతారు, తలుపుల్లో దూరుతారు, అరమరల్లో దూరుతారు. అమ్మా సిఐఏకి పనిచేస్తున్నావా? పెన్ను పడిపోయిందా? అంతే కదా. వాటికి ఏమైనా పనిచేస్తే ముందే చెప్పు. ఓకేనా? పెన్ను పడైపోక కావాలని. రైట్. వాట్ యు హ్యావ్ రిటన్? పెద్దగా చెప్పు. The row or column transformations will not alter the rank of the matrix. Okay. Next, write down equivalent matrices. Write down a definition. Equivalent matrices. Equivalent. Equivalent matrices. Equivalent matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be equivalent. Two matrices A and B are said to be equivalent if అయ్యా మంచినీళ్ళు అప్పుడే కావాలి, కూర్చో. బాటిల్ తీసుకొని లేసా, కూర్చో. వచ్చిన దగ్గర నుండి రాళ్ళు ఎత్తాడు, రాళ్ళు మోసాడు, రాళ్ళు అవతల పడేశాడు, మంచినీళ్ళు అవుతున్నాయి, బాటిల్ పట్టలేసాడు. 3 గంటల వరకు క్లాస్ అయిపోయేంత వరకు ఎవరైనా లేస్తే ఊరుకునేది లేదు. స్ట్రిక్ట్ ఆర్డర్. 3 అంటే 9 నుంచి 3 hours, లేకపోతే 9:15 నుంచి 9:30 నుంచి 3 hours, అంతేగాని ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ 3 కాదు. ఓకేనా? ఆ రిలాక్సేషన్ ఉంది. గేట్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ 3 hours. యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి సీటెడ్ ఇన్ యువర్ సీట్ అప్ టు 3 hours. డూ రిమెంబర్. రాస్తున్నావా నోట్సు? అయ్యా వాటర్ బాటిల్ చేయత్, ఆ బాటిల్ పక్కన పెట్టు. Equivalent matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be equivalent if one can be obtained from the other, one can be obtained from the other by a sequence of row comma column transformations, row comma column transformations, or both. Column transformations or both. and we write it as A equivalent to B. A equivalent to B. A equivalent to B. That is equivalency symbol. Okay, if two matrices are equivalent, then they are of same order. They are of same order. And their rank is also same. And their rank is also same. Okay. Previously we have discussed equal matrices. What are equal matrices? Equal means same order and elements in the similar positions are same. Same order and the elements in the similar positions are same. Equivalent means order is same as well as both are of same rank. Both are of same rank. Okay. Next. See here. In order to find the rank, mostly what we will do is we use the row transformations. We will try to conform it into or convert it into upper triangular form matrix. Upper triangular form matrix. Okay. Then you can easily find the rank of the matrix. If you do column transformations, it will be converted into lower triangular form matrix. If you apply both upper and lower, it will be converted into normal form. You please write now. By applying row transformations, the given matrix can be converted into upper triangular form. And by column transformations, the given matrix can be converted into lower triangular form. Lower triangular form matrix. By using both upper and lower, by using both row and column transformations. By using both row and column transformations, the given matrix can be converted into normal form IR 0 0 0. If you are having a matrix A of order m by n, apply both row and column transformations. You are going to get such normal form. Normal form IR 0 0 0. Order will not be changed. Rank also will not be changed. That form is known as IR 0 0 0. Where IR is, write down, where IR is identity matrix of order R. Here you may write an important thing. A is a matrix of order m by n with rank R. Write down an important result. Result 1. You may write it as result 1. Capital A of order m by n be a matrix with rank small r. Be a matrix with rank small r if and only if it can be expressed into normal form IR 0 0 0 of order m by n by a sequence of row and column transformations. By a sequence of row and column transformations. If it is with rank R, you can write this. If any matrix can be written in that form, then it is having rank small r. Their orders will be same, ranks will be same, just we are transforming one form into another form. That form is known as normal form. If only upper triangular, that is upper triangular form. Only column transformations, that is lower triangular form. This is both IR 0 0 0. IR is what? Identity matrix of order R. Have you written? Have you written or not? Say yes or no. Asara? Good. Now, this is result 1. Write another result. If capital A is a matrix of order m by n with rank R, then there exists then there exists two non-singular matrices. Then there exists two non-singular matrices. Non-singular matrices P and Q. P and Q such that P into AQ equals to IR 0 0 0. IR 0 0 0. I said clearly P and Q are non-singular. What is the meaning of non-singular? They are square matrices and their determinant is not equal to 0. Say yes or no? Non-singular matrices means they are square matrices whose determinant is not equal to 0. I said clearly the rank of A is smaller. The rank of capital A is smaller. Okay. What is the rank of that one? This is also smaller. IR 0 0 0 rank is also smaller. I said P and Q are non-singular. Non-singular means P must be a square matrix. In order to say P is square, the number of rows in A must be equal to number of columns in P. So P is of order m by m. P is of order m by m. And again, the multiplication A and Q is possible. So the number of columns in A must be equal to number of rows in Q. So it is square n by n. Okay. So these two gets cancelled. These two gets cancelled. Final order is m by n. This is also of order m by n. This is also of rank smaller. Rank smaller. Order is also m by n. Okay, write up. There exist two non-singular matrices P and Q such that మా ఏంటమ్మా ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? నీళ్ల కోసం యుద్ధాలు జరిగినాయి. ఇంకా వేటి కోసం జరిగినాయి? భూమి కోసం జరిగినాయి. మీ ఇద్దరు చిన్న పేపర్ కోసం కొట్టుకుంటున్నారు. కనీసం చూడండి, చూడమ్మా, చెవుల్లో బంగారం ఉంటుంది కదా, వాటి కోసమన్నా కొట్టుకోండి. కొట్టుకున్నందుకు విలువ ఉంటుంది. ఏమి చేతులు ఎత్తారా? మీ ఇద్దరు ఎత్తారు కదా, ఇక ఆపండి ఫైట్. ఆపేశారా? నువ్వేంటమ్మా, వాళ్ళు ఏ విధంగా కొట్టుకుంటున్నారు? కవరేజ్ ఇస్తున్నావా ఆమెకి? చాలు, ఇక చాలు. రైట్. హ్యావ్ యూ నోటెడ్ ఆర్ నాట్? Clear? Right. This is about normal form. In general, in order to find the rank of the matrix, what we will do? We will write or we will apply row transformations, convert it into upper triangular form. Then again, we will find the non-zero, non-equivalent rows. The number of non-zero, non-equivalent rows in final upper triangular form after applying row transformations is the rank of the matrix. Simple thing. If it is 3 by 4, 3 by 3 or 4 by 3 only, 2 steps required. For each step we need 20 to 30 seconds. So within a minute, you are supposed to write the rank of the matrix. Okay, write down now. In order to find the rank of the given matrix, in order to find the rank of the given matrix, we do the row transformations and convert it into upper triangular form and convert it into upper triangular form, and in the final upper triangular form, the number of non-zero, non-equivalent rows, is equal to the rank of the given matrix, Now we do write some simple properties while finding the rank. A rank of A transpose is equal to rank of A transpose is equal to rank of A transpose is equal to rank of A. Transpose kaina matrix kaina rank will not change. You will get the same rank. Okay? Yes or no? Next. Rank of null matrix. Amma, what is rank of null matrix? Rank of null matrix is equal to 0. Okay. Next. What about the rank of A plus B? Suppose, listen, A plus B means both are of same order. Okay. Suppose A is, I am considering A is 1 0 0 1. B is 1 0 0 0. Amma, what is rank of A here? Rank of A. What is determinant? Is it 0 or non-zero? Non-zero. So what is the rank? 2. What is rank of B? 1. Okay. Now, rank of A plus B. Add these two. What is A plus B? A plus B, 2 0 0 1. Tell me what is rank of A plus B? 2. So rank of A plus B is rank of A plus B is equal to rank of A plus rank of B, na? What you can say? Again, if I take B1 as 0, 0, 0, 0, A plus B1, what is A plus B1? A plus B1 is 1, 0, 0, 1. What is rank of A plus B1? Oi, it tirugu. Rank of A plus B1. Chappandi, what is it? 2 or not? Now, with these two examples, what you can write here? Rank of A plus B is equal to marchananko, what they did that. How you can say rank of A? Is equal to maximum of rank of A comma rank of B. And again, less than or equal to rank of A plus rank of B. Say yes or no? Less than or equal to rank of A plus rank of B. You can write both together, please note it. Why I am saying if A, B both are zeros, rank of A is 0, rank of B is 0. A plus B is also 0. Then are you getting equality or not? Rank of A plus B equal to rank of A plus rank of B. Okay, you can write both the properties. Please note down. Aya rasnava goda pakkana. White shirt and padipotna. Fine button pettuko. Be comfortable. It is AC classroom kada. If it is required, then you can request him. Aya AC kavalanta. బాగా వాళ్ళకి 18 degreesలో పెట్టు. ఉందా? రిమోట్ ఉందా? తెప్పించు వెంబడే. నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పా కదా, మీరు కేకలేసి ఎందుకు అనవసరంగా ఎనర్జీ వేస్ట్ చేస్తారు? అరవబాక. Okay. Next, write another property. రిమోట్ దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని ఏంటి ఏం చేస్తున్నాను? అక్కడే ఉంది. రా వరుసగా ఆన్ చేయి వాళ్ళకి. అయ్యా వాటర్ బాటిల్స్ ఇవ్వద్దులే, పెట్టండి అక్కడ, ఆపండి. నువ్వు కానీ. Next, write one more property. If capital A, capital B are capital A, capital B are two matrices such that their product is possible. Their product is possible. Then rank of AB rank of A into B, rank of A into B. Already you have taken A and B. Amma, what is A into B? Amma, discussion aapali. Stop talking. Hey, up. What is A into B here? What is A into B? A is 1001, B is 1000. What is A into B? 1. A into B, amma. 100. What is rank of AB? 1. If you write rank of B into B1, what is B into B1? What is B into B1? 0000. Rank of B is 1, rank of B1 is 0. Rank of B into B1 is 0 only. So what you can say here? By using these two, rank of AB is equal to minimum of rank of A comma rank of B. Please note down. Stop talking. Already I had given examples. Please note down. A into B in the first case 1000. B into B1, it is 0000. In both the cases, rank of A into B is equal to minimum of rank of A comma rank of B. Okay, we are going to use this while writing some of the problems. First, let you do some problems related with the rank. Raima, if write down a question given in the previous KIET examinations. If capital A equals to please write. If capital A equals to Aij of order n by n, where 1 less than or equal to I comma j, I comma j less than or equal to n, less than or equal to n, and aij equal to I into j, then find the rank of A. Find the rank of A for n greater than or equal to 3. For n greater than or equal to 3. అయ్యా ఆ లాస్ట్ బెంచి మధ్యలో వాళ్ళు ఇద్దరు పడిపోయారు, వాళ్ళు లేపండి. లేసారా? గుడ్. Here all the questions in the gate, particularly in any competitive exam, will be given like based on the notations. Okay, that's why I had given maximum definitions based on the notations itself. Right, maximum definitions based on the notations itself I have explained. So this was asked in the previous gate. Now we need to find the rank for n greater than or equal to 3. Listen. Here n greater than or equal to 3, I am considering for n equal to 3. For n equal to 3, form the matrix. ఏమ్మా ఏంటి? కావాలా వద్దా? ఎవరు వేసింది? ఎవరు? అయ్యా వెనకాల ఫ్యాన్ అని తీసేయి. ఫ్యాన్ ది. వారిని దుంపదగా ఫ్యాన్ నీమంటే లైట్లు తీసి వస్తున్నావు నువ్వు. ఆ లైట్లే యువతలకి వెళ్ళి లైట్లే యువతలమ్మా. అది మేడం కరెక్ట్గా చేశారు. ఒరే లైట్లు వెయ్యి, స్విచ్ ఆన్ ద లైట్. రా ఇంక చాలు. మేడం మీరు కరెక్ట్గా చేశారు. write down this matrix. A equals to okay, write down అమ్మా లెగవండి. నేను పాట పాడలేను పొద్దాక. తెల్లవారెను కోడి కూసెను, సూర్యుడు వచ్చాను, నిద్ర లెగవండి. ఏమ్మా పొద్దాక పండుకుంటారు? ఓకే. ఏ ఈక్వల్స్ టు, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గుడ్ సింగర్. కాసేపు కూర్చో, ఏం కాదు. కూర్చో, ఏం కాదు. నువ్వు సన్నగా ఉన్నా గాలికి ఎగిరిపోవు. కూర్చో. ఏ ఈక్వల్స్ టు, సి ద మ్యాట్రిక్స్ నోటేషన్ ఈజ్ A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay. So here, how this element is defined? Stop. Right, apal. Stop talking. This is equal to, what is A11? Ray, Nike. Ma, idhirgo. A11 equal to 1 into 1. 1. What is the next one? 2, next 4, 6, next in order to find the rank, what we needed to do is make these two zeros. In the first step, using the first row element, and again next, if it is required, make this one 0. In the second step, using second row element, now equivalent to, how you can make this one 0? R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. Again R3 implies there is no change in first row. There is no change in the first row. Okay. A third bench. Here R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. Amma, 2 minus 2 into 1. What is the value? 0. Next, 4 minus 2 into 2. 6 minus 2 into 3. R3 minus 3R1. 0. 6 minus 3 into 2. 0. 9 minus 3 into 3. 0. Is it upper triangular form or not? Only in one step you have got it. If it is 3 by 3, maximum it required only 2 steps. Convert it into the upper triangular form. Okay. So we have converted. How many non-zero, non-equivalent rows are there? How many non-zero, non-equivalent rows? Only one. Note down, write the answer. Tell me that. In the final upper triangular form, in the final upper triangular form, there exists only one non-zero non-equivalent row. Non-zero non-equivalent row. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is 1. Even for n greater than 3 also. 4, 5, 6, so on. Any integer, you will get the same. Okay, this was asked in the previous KIET examination. Write down next another one. If మా ఇట్రా నువ్వు రా బయట నోట్స్ వద్దు బా వాట్ ఏ గెస్ అసలు నిన్ను పంపాలి ముందు వెళ్ళి ఫ్యాన్ అంటే ఆఫ్ చేసిరావు ఎన్ని స్విచ్లు నొక్కుతావు నొక్కు అక్కడ పెట్టు నువ్వు కూర్చోయా నువ్వు కూర్చో ఓయ్ కూర్చో వెళ్ళిరా పో వెళ్ళి ట్యాబ్లెట్ వేసుకొచ్చుకోపో త్వరగా పో ఆపావా హౌ మెనీ స్విచెస్ యూ ఆపరేటెడ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ దట్స్ గ్రేట్ చప్పట్లు కొట్టాడు చూసారా ఎక్కువ వద్దు ఏమిరా చప్పట్లు కొట్టమంటే ఇట్లా ఇట్లా కొడుతున్నావు రైట్ if capital A equals to write down if capital A equals to PQRS and B equals to P square plus Q square PR plus QS, again PR plus QS, R square plus S square. Right number, right. If rank of capital A is capital N, if rank of capital A is capital N, capital N. Then the rank of capital B is, then the rank of capital B is, options 0, first option 0, second option n by 2, third option n, fourth one is 2n. Zero, n by 2, n, 2n. Amma? Listen. We have given, the matrix A. Matrix B elements are also expressed in terms of PQRS. Okay. When you are given like this, try to observe the relation between these two. Vinali. In order to get the relation, we have A. Amma, if B is A into A, listen carefully. A is PQRS, and again another A, PQRS. Do the multiplication. Do the multiplication, P square, but QR. P square plus QR. Okay. As the element in B, the first row, first element is P square plus Q square. You are supposed to write A into A or A square or A cube like that. But it is not happening. It is not correct. Try to examine. Try to observe whether B is equal to A into A transpose or not. Right. Up. Last. Whether B is equal to A into A transpose or not. Verify. Write down. B equal to, write down the multiplication. Whether you are getting it or not, verify. B equal to A into A transpose. Whether it is correct or not, verify. A into A transpose. Multiply. Are you getting the same or not? Are you getting same? Write down. By the observation, B equal to A into A transpose. A into A transpose. So rank of B equal to Rayali. B equal to what is it? Minimum of what you have written, rank of AB equal to minimum of అక్కడ చెప్పింది చెప్పారు ఏబి ప్రాపర్టీ చెప్పు rank of minimum of rank of A comma rank of B. So rank of B equal to minimum of rank of A comma rank of A transpose. What is rank of A? What is rank of A transpose? Rank of A transpose, both are n only. So minimum of n comma n is n comma n, minimum n only. So rank of B equal to n. రాసావా? Rank of B equal to n. Okay. So this kind of problems were asked in the previous examination related with the rank. Right next another problem. Find the rank of the matrix find the rank of the matrix 4201 6527 minus 1543. Here also what we have to do, eliminate these two using the first row element in the first step. Make these two zeros. Make these two zeros. Do it now quick. Right. అక్కడ కావాలని ఒక బాటిల్ పడేశాడు. దాన్ని ఏంద్రా అని అడగన అవసరం లే. అక్కడేం నాట్ బాంబు బెల్లలేదు, ఆటం బాంబు బెల్లలేదు. వాడు ఎందుకు పడేశాడో కూడా తెలుసు. దట్ ఈజ్ ఇమ్మెటీరియల్. ఫస్ట్ రైట్ అండ్ టెల్ మీ ద ఆన్సర్. అమ్మా చేశారా? yourself. What is the answer? Here keep 4201 as it is. R2 implies 2R2 minus 3R1. Copy it. Do it. R2 implies 2R2 minus 3R1. What is the value? 2R2, 2 into 6, 12, minus 12, 0, 10 minus 6, 4, 4 minus 0, 4, 14 minus 3, 11. R3 implies, 4R3 plus R1, minus 4 plus 4, 20 plus 2, 16. Next, 12 plus 1. In the next step, using second row, try to make that encircled number as 0. మీ ఇద్దరు డిస్కషన్ ఆపాలి. So how you can make it 0? This is equivalent to 4201, 04411. R3 implies, yes, 4R3 minus 22R2. This is 0. 88 minus 88, 0. 64 minus 88. What is 64 minus 88? Minus 52 minus 22 into 11. 22 into 11. What's the value? 22 into 11. 22 now. 52 minus 22 into 11. Some non-zero value. Some non-zero value. It is in the upper triangular form. Even that last one need not to be calculated, because already 2 non-zero, 3 non-zero, non-equivalent rows. What is the rank? Write down. This is in the upper triangular form with 3 non-zero, non-equivalent rows. 3 non-zero, non-equivalent equivalent rows. So therefore the rank of the matrix is what is the rank? 4, 3 only. This is the way how to find the rank. But anyhow, in order to find the solutions of system of non-homogeneous and homogeneous equations, we are going to use the rank. Okay. So hence, what we are going to do is, we will first write the concept how to find the solutions of system of non-homogeneous equations. Then we will find the rank there also. Okay. So based on it, we are going to say the number of solutions that the given system has. Please write solutions of system of non-homogeneous equations. Consider the system of equations a11x1 plus a12x2 plus so on plus a1nxn equal to k1, a21x1 plus a22x2 plus a2nxn equals to k2, so on am1x1 plus am2x2 plus so on plus amn xn equal to km. చెప్పింది 4 అని చెప్పింది ఎవరు? 5. How many equations? Write down m. We have m number of equations. M. We have m number of m for Mumbai, m number of equations with n unknowns, x1, x2, so on xn. N unknowns, x1, x2, so on xn, so on xn. And k1, k2, so on km are k1, k2, so on km. Km are constants such that at least one of them, right leda, raya, such that at least one of them not equal to 0, such that at least one of them not equal to at least one of them not equal to 0. If all constants are zeros, that is system of homogeneous. If at least one of them is not equal to 0, that is non-homogeneous equation. Okay? So consideration, number of equations, writing that system in a systematic format is required. Number of unknowns also required. How we are writing the constants also required. Recover the file. Yes and good. Good. Antena? Equations rasaga. Poinda? So here a11x1 plus a12x2 plus so on a1 and xn equals to k1. This you can write it in terms of matrix form. Write down. This can be written as, this can be written as a into x equals to k, a into x equals to k. Yeah, రాయండి. Are you writing or not? Where capital A equals to capital A, capital A equals to matrix A11, A12 so on A1n, A21, A22 so on A2n, and so on AM1, the entire representation is very much required. Capital A equals to A11 to A1n, A21 to A2n, AM1 to AMN, known as coefficient matrix, known as coefficient matrix. Next, x equals to x1, x2 so on xn of order n by 1, known as solution matrix or unknown matrix. Solution matrix or unknown matrix. K equals to K1, K2 so on Km, order m by 1, known as constant matrix or non-homogeneous matrix. Okay. Amma A into x equals to k. Number of columns in A equal to number of rows in x. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. Okay. Now, the order of that final matrix K is m by 1. You have to maintain those things in such a similar manner. One more thing. Multiply first row with this. A11x1 plus A12x2 plus so on A1nxn. That is first equation. Second row with that x, you will get second equation. Last row with that x, you will get last equation. Okay. No change even in the row and column positions. No change even in the row and column positions. Prati danlo kuda jagrattaga rayali. If you are having such a minute observation, then you can understand the concept well. Okay. Now in order to find the number of solutions of this system, only thing you need to write is augmented matrix. Write down. Consider the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix AK. A11, A12 so on, A1n, K1. Next, A21, A22 so on, A2n, K2, and so on. AM1, AM2 so on, AMN KM. This is of order m by n plus 1. M by n plus 1. Consider the augmented matrix AK. To the coefficient matrix, just include the last column as, or the constant matrix as the last column of coefficient matrix. That is augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. Okay. Now you have to find the rank of coefficient. You have to find the rank of augmented matrix. Okay, let rank of coefficient matrix equals to small r, and rank of augmented matrix equals to r dash. Rank of augmented matrix equals to r dash. R dash. Simply finding their ranks, you can say if the rank of coefficient matrix equals to rank of augmented matrix equal to number of unknown variables. Number of unknown variables. Number of unknown variables. Then there exists unique solution. Unique solution. In bracket you may write unique non-zero solution. Unique non-zero. Unique non-zero solution. It is not zero. Why it is not zero? If x1, x2, so on, xn all are zeros, among k1 to km, at least one of them is not equal to 0. Left side all values are zeros. If left side all values are zeros, okay, among k1 to km, at least one of them is not equal to 0. 0 plus 0 plus so on 0 equal to non-zero. Is it satisfied? Say yes or no. Left side all are zeros. Right side is not 0. Is it expressible? Is it correct? No. So therefore, that unique solution, whatever is existed, must be a non-zero solution because it is non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Why we call them as linear? The maximum power of all the variables, x1, x2, so on, xn. Maximum power of all the variables is only 1, 1, 1, 1. That's why we call it as linear. At least one of the non-homogeneous part, at least one of the constants is not equal to 0. That's why non-homogeneous. If all constants are zeros, that is Okay, if at least one of the constant is not equal to 0, that is non-homogeneous. What is the first point? If rank of coefficient matrix equal to rank of augmented matrix equal to number of unknown variables, there exists only one solution, unique solution, that is particularly non-zero. Okay, you are having one solution, so you may say the system is consistent. Write down. And the given system is, and the given system is, given system is, given system is given system is given system is consistent. Okay, next. If the rank of coefficient matrix is equal to rank of augmented matrix is equal to rank of augmented matrix less than number of unknown variables, then there exists infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. And again here the system is consistent. If the rank of coefficient matrix, if the rank of coefficient matrix is not equal to the rank of the augmented matrix, rank of the augmented matrix, then there exists no solution, and the system is inconsistent, and the system is inconsistent or not consistent. Inconsistent or not consistent. Say yes or no. Okay. So in above both two cases, we call it as consistent. If the equations are having at least one solution, at least one solution, if the equations are having at least one solution, we call it as consistent. If it is not having any solution, it is not consistent. Okay? Even after BTech or in the life, if you people are having at least one job, you are consistent. Yes or no? మీకు కనీసం ఒక జాబ్ ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది? మీరు కన్సిస్టెంట్గా ఉంటారు. ఓకే, one or more than that, you may have the jobs. Now most of the software employees are doing 3 jobs, 2 jobs. They are working in their leisure time for different companies also. Okay? If you have at least one job, you are more consistent. No job, inconsistent. No solution, inconsistent. Not consistent. Okay? The most important thing is, in order to be consistent in the life, you need to have only one spouse. Am I right or wrong? What is the meaning of spouse? Life lo consistent ga undali anante ఒకే ఒక్క స్పౌజ్ ఉండాలి. అంత తొందర లేదు. 4-5 ఏళ్ళు అయిన తర్వాత కనీసం ఒక జాబ్ వచ్చాక అప్పుడు యూ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ, ఏంటమ్మా స్పౌజ్ అంటే ఎవరు? భర్త లేక భార్య. ఓకే, ఒక్కళ్ళే ఉండాలి. నలుగురా? ఎవడు రావాడు? ఇక్కడ ఒక్కళ్ళతోనే చచ్చిపోతున్నారు. నలుగురిని చేసుకొని ఉంటాను. లిజన్, the most important thing is మా పడిపో బాబు. మీకు అప్పుడే ఎవరు పెళ్లి చేయట్లా, నువ్వు పడిపోతున్నావు. లైఫ్లో కన్సిస్టెంట్గా ఉండాలి అని అంటే ఒక్కళ్ళనే. ఆహా, ఏం చెప్పారు! ఒక్కరికి సైడ్ బిజినెస్లు. The given system of equations need to have minimum one solution. Okay, either unique or infinite. Then only you can say that the given system is consistent. No solution, not consistent. Okay, let you write a problem on this. Consider టైము ఎంత అయింది? టైం ఎంత అయింది చెప్పు. నువ్వు ఏ బ్రాంచ్ చదువుతున్నా? కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్. ఆయన చెప్తాడు, ఆగండి. నీ క్లాస్ ఎన్నింటి వరకు? ఎన్నింటికి స్టార్ట్ చేసాం? 9:30కి. System of equations has no solution, has Raivaya has no solution for the values of lambda and mu, for the values of apal, for the values of lambda and mu given by this problem completely covers the entire concept. మీరు ఎంతసేపు మాట్లాడినా క్లాస్ విల్ నాట్ బి క్లోజ్ టిల్ ఐ కన్సిడర్. నేను అనుకున్నది చెప్పేంత వరకు వదిలిపెట్టను. ఓకే, నువ్వు ఎన్ని కుప్పి గంతలు వేసినా ఇది ఆగేది కాదు. రాయండి. Write down the options. నీకు మాట్లాడకూడదు. The given system has no solution for which of lambda and mu values. ఇక లేపండి. అమ్మా ఓకేనా? రైట్. ఏదో ఒకటి రాయి, ముగ్గులై బాకు, నువ్వే ఏదో ఒకటి రాయి. బోర్డు మీద రాసా కదా, రాయి. హియర్ as I said, we need to find rank of coefficient, rank of augmented matrix. Two calculations are not required. Just consider only augmented matrix. Here, what is augmented matrix? 1 1 1 6, 1 4 6 20, 1 4 lambda mu. Just make a dotted line for the last column. Okay. By considering the first three columns, you are getting the rank of coefficient matrix. If you consider the last column also, you are getting the rank of augmented matrix. Okay. And పక్కన చూడు. Here what I am doing is I am trying to find or convert this into upper triangular form. Write down. We have to make these two zeros in the first step. మీరు ఎంతసేపు మాట్లాడితే అంత ప్రొలాంగ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. స్టాప్ టాకింగ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. నిన్ను బెంచ్ ఎక్కిస్తా. బెంచ్ అంటే చైర్ కాదు, యువతల బెంచ్. అందరికి కనపడతావు, ఇంక మాట్లాడు. Here you have to make these two zeros equivalent to R2 implies R2 minus R1. 1 1 1 6. Tell me now what it is. 0. Next. 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 Again. R3 implies R3 minus or 1? What you are getting? 0, 3, lambda minus 1, mu minus 6. Okay, I am trying to maintain this dotted line. Again, this is equivalent to, I am trying to make this one as 0 in the second step, in the second row. R3 implies R3 minus R2. 1, 1, 1, 6. 0, 3, 5, 14. This is 0, 0, lambda minus 6, mu minus 20. Okay. It is now in the upper triangular form. It is now in the upper triangular form. Okay. Now give the values of lambda and mu as it is mentioned among the options. You can say whether there is no solution, unique solution or infinite solution. First of all, in the first option, by making lambda 6 mu 20, 1, 1, 1, 6, 0, 3, 5, 14, next 0, 0, 0, 0. Make a dotted line here. What is rank of quotient matrix? This is in upper triangular form. How many non-zero, non-equivalent rows are there in the quotient matrix? Only 2. So therefore, rank of quotient matrix is 2. How many non-zero, non-equivalent rows are there in the final augmented upper triangular form matrix? How many non-zero, non-equivalent? How many? How many? How many? Stand this board, Jude. Stand and ఏంటమ్మా తల కింద చేయి సోక్రటీస్ లాగా అదొకటి పెడతారు పొద్దా కృతజ్ఞులు రైట్ నువ్వే ఇద్దరు ఇప్పుడు బోర్డు చూడు. హౌ మెనీ నాన్ జీరో రోస్ ఆర్ దేర్? నువ్వే చెప్పు. హౌ మెనీ? జీరోనా? 2. Rank of augmented matrix is 2. Number of unknown variables 3. Copy it. Number of unknown variables 3. You can say what is happening in the first option. Write down. Have you written or not? Have you written or not? రాసావా? నువ్వే. Have you written or not? Right. Here r equal to r dash, r equal to r dash less than n, number of unknown variables. So therefore there exists how many solutions? Infinite number of solutions. Right. మీ నోట్స్లు వెరిఫై చేయడం ఖచ్చితం. రాయని వాళ్ళకి సపరేట్ నోట్స్లో రాయని వాళ్ళకి వరుసగా రాయని వాళ్ళకి ఫైన్ పడడం కూడా అంతే ఖచ్చితం. మీరు చాలా జోక్ అనుకుంటున్నారు. మంచి బిల్డింగ్కి అక్కడ అంత స్థలం ఉన్నది, ఫైన్లు వసూలు చేసి బిల్డింగ్ కడతాం మేము. ఏమ్మా? Second option. What you are getting there? 1, 1, 1, 6. 0, 3, 5, 14. Next, 0, 0, 0, some non-zero constant. Here, if you eliminate the last column, you are getting rank of coefficient matrix. Okay, how many non-zero, non-equivalent rows are there in that coefficient final upper triangular form matrix? How many? Only 2. Rank of coefficient matrix equals to 2. What is rank of augmented matrix? Considering the last column also, there exists 3 non-zero, non-equivalent rows. Okay, rank of augmented matrix is 3. What is your conclusion? Do you have a solution or not? Write it. There exists no solution. There exists no solution for option C. You have got the answer. Has no solution when option B is there. What is happening for C and D? 1, 1, 1, 6, 0, 3, 5, 14, 0, 0, some non-zero value k, and this is 0. So the rank of coefficient matrix is 3, rank of augmented also 3, number of unknown variables is 3. So there exists unique solution. Since the rank of coefficient matrix is 3, it is the maximum rank that you may get. Rank of augmented also will be 3. Rank of augmented also will be, because in augmented also we have 3 non-zero, non-equivalent rows. Obviously number of unknown variables are 3. Unique solution. What is happening in option D? 1, 1, 1, 6, 0, 3, 5, 14, 0, 0, some k1 not equal to 0, k2 not equal to 0. Here also, rank of coefficient, rank of augmented equals to number of unknown variables. And in the last one also there exists, write down. In the last option also there exists unique solution. Really. There exists unique solution. Okay. If you observe the last two options, in this problem, write down a note. The given system has, write down a note. The given system has, the given system has unique solution when lambda not equal to 6. When lambda not equal to 6. And it is irrespective of the value of mu. Irrespective of the value of mu. It is not depending on the value of mu, whether it is 20 or not equal to 20. When lambda is not equal to 6, definitely you will get unique solution. Unique solution. Okay. So this covers the entire concept of system of linear non-homogeneous equations solution. Okay. We discuss some different types now itself. Continue. Madam, ఎన్నింటికండి బ్రేక్? 12:30కా? అయిపోయిందండి. 12:30నా 12:40నా అయిపోయిందండి. So you can take leave in the next class.